Hi everyone, welcome to Jay's Techie Chrome. If you're watching my channel for the first time, I'm Jay, and in my channel you can watch videos related to immigration for all countries and technical videos. Please share and subscribe my videos. As you all know, there is currently a travel ban in place on Australians leaving Australia for overseas travel. Also, there is restriction for the visa holders to enter Australia. So, in this video, we are going to discuss in detail about the travel restrictions in Australia due to this COVID-19 pandemic. So, in this video, we are going to see who are all eligible to travel in and out of Australia. And we are going to see if there are any exemptions for the non-residents who are on different visas to travel in and out of Australia, and if there are any exemptions, then what are the steps that needs to be followed in order to claim the exceptions, and what are the type of visas are restricted. Let us get into the detail. At the current time, only Australian citizens, permanent residents and the immediate family members of the permanent residents are permitted to travel to Australia, and once you reach Australia, then you are required to self-isolate or quarantine in a facility such as hotel for 14 days from the port of arrival. Also, all New Zealanders who live in Australia as Australian permanent residents are allowed to travel to Australia. Even though there is travel restriction on visa holders, still few people can travel into Australia on certain exemptions. Let us see what are those additional exemptions. Case 1. Foreign nationals travelling at the invitation of the Australian government for the purpose of handling or assisting the COVID-19 response would be permitted at the airport. Case 2. People with critical skills, for example, frontline workers such as doctors and then medical specialists, also the marine pilots, will be permitted by exceptions. Case 3. Few people are allowed or permitted based on the medical emergencies or in case of death on compassionate grounds. Case 4 would be the diplomats, and case 5 would be the critical medical services including air ambulances. If you satisfy any of the above discussed cases, or if you are a family member of an PR holder, then you are eligible to claim for an exemption. So you should make sure that your exemption is granted before you travel to Australia by submitting the below mentioned documents. So you should also able to submit them the passenger details and the case on which you are claiming the exemptions and all the relevant supporting documentations. Here is the list of temporary visa holders who can still travel to Australia with no restrictions. Spouse, partner, child and legal guardian of a citizen or PR holder are eligible to travel. Partners and children who are on different temporary visas can still travel to Australia during this travel ban. Also, they need not have to request any exemptions for their travel. So, what are the points you need to remember? First, all the other visas are restricted, like holiday visas or work visas. You cannot travel into Australia during this travel ban. Secondly, make sure that you need to undergo a 14-day quarantine once you reach Australia. And third, you also need to make sure that you get your exemption granted before your travel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share. Also, please post your questions. I would be more than happy to respond to your questions. Thank you.